Boom! What is up, everybody? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. My name is Clint, and I am excited, as always, to talk to you today about a bag. This is the CT2 from CTactical in Vietnam, and it is a cool little EDC pouch. And I'm going to hit you with the headline right now. It's $9. Now, it is sold out right now on the website as of me making this video, but hopefully it'll be back in stock soon. And it is a cute little bag for $9, and it is designed for a super minimalist carry. I am excited to get into this thing with you. You know what we do on this channel, everybody. We do one-take bag reviews. What does that mean? One straight shot, straight through. We're going to do a full walkthrough of this bag, exterior and interior. Then, after that walkthrough, you're going to get two things that I love about the bag, two things that I think could be better, and then an overall recommendation. Who might this be the perfect bag for? All right, let's get into it. Exterior first. This is a nice little bag. You can see that it is a tiny form factor, It's got a couple of compartments. We'll get into storage here in a second from overhead, but exterior-wise, just a thin Cordura material, very thin, feels light, very airy, the whole bag. You have one strap. You have kind of a different, we'll get into this pocket in a minute, I promise, but you've got a quilted pattern on the back to give you a little bit of extra cushioning or padding on the bag. This is the Tropic Multicam. It comes in, I think, 6 different colorways. Some of them have hook and loop on the outside, some do not. All your zippers are, I would say, nothing fancy, but work just fine. They all have a cool zipper pull on them, which is paracord that has been tied off. You do have a CTactical logo right here. And that's about it on the outside of the bag, with the exception of the strap. So we will get into the strap in more detail. You do have a little tag right here, a little minimalist branding for CTactical. But we'll get into the strap in the overhead view as well. It is just a 1-inch piece of nylon with plastic buckles. But again, please keep in mind that this is a $9 bag. What do you expect for $9? Okay, so this is one of those kind of, is it good enough for you to add it on to another backpack purchase that you're making from CTactical? That's kind of the question I was asking myself with this bag. Okay, let's get into it. Camera number 2, so we can check out the interior and talk about what's going on storage-wise in this CT2, this tiny little wonder from CTactical. Let's do it. All right, here we are. Time for us to look at the CT2 and get into all the pockets. I'm excited about this one because there's actually a lot of pockets on a little bag this size. So what do we have going on first? This front compartment is just a slip pocket. So I've just tossed in some EDC items in here. Nothing crazy, but a good little slip pocket up front, very convenient. The second pocket, things get a little bit more interesting. Zips a little bit less than halfway here, but takes up this whole pocket dimensions wise. What do we have going on? Well, we've got an admin panel. Look at this. I've slipped in a Sharpie. I've clipped on a lightning cable. So you've got a couple of elastic stretchy bands here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put an EDC pocket knife in here. Got my hero clip in here. Got a little wallet. So 2 slip pockets right here, and then a third bigger pocket right back here. Boom, little pop of color. My blank canvas accessories wallet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stretchy elastic attachment points. Nice little admin compartment in this bag. Nice. All right, there is no pocket behind here. There is a big pocket here, but let's get into the back pocket first. Got a slip pocket. I have put a passport holder back there. So a slip pocket that's quilted. Other things you can do with this slip pocket. This is a Kindle. Okay, down. And it barely does still Velcro there. This is an iPad mini. Slips in but does not Velcro. Okay, and remember, this is not cushioned. You're probably going to want to store your electronics in the main compartment despite the fact that there is, in this main compartment, no extra laptop sleeve, or excuse me, of course there's not a laptop sleeve, tiny tablet sleeve. All right, so what's going on in here? Hook and loop on the entire back panel. So you can use morale patches, or if you wanted to put in an organizer, you certainly could do that as well. And then I've just tossed in some EDC items into the bag, including a little wallet. But you've got a pretty good sized pouch here. That is no problem. Look at this. This is an iPad mini keyboard case. That fits no problem. And a Kindle. And a wallet. And sunglasses. Like, look at that. You can get quite a bit in this little $9 Wonder Bag. So, not too shabby, huh? Not too shabby at all. All right. I think you've had a chance to see it now. This is a really cool bag, especially for $9. So how about it? $9 for a useful little bag like this that frankly you can just kind of toss into another bag. Now, we're going to get into two things that I love about this bag and two things I think could be better that would have even just tipped it over the top to make it just an absurdly useful bag for me. So, two things that I love. Well, the first one is the price. That's absurd. $9. Yeah, it's a heck of a useful little bag for $9. And it is, I mean, obviously you can wear it on either shoulder, but it rides really well. It's simple, it's light, it's nice. So for $9, you're getting well more than your money's worth. I mean, honestly, these pouches are like 50 bucks. It's $9. All right. So price point, mwah, chef's kiss. Okay. Now, the second thing that I love about this bag is actually that front admin pocket. So the adaptability of this bag, you've got this admin pocket up here and then the hook and loop inside the main compartment so you can add more storage if you want. Like, I really, really, really like that. I mentioned it'd be nice to have a little tablet pocket, especially since they mentioned that this thing was specifically sized for an iPad mini. But honestly, just get a little iPad mini holder. Like, this is a $9 bag. I mean, you're going to start pricing this thing up to 25 bucks, in which case it starts to lose a bit of its magic. Like, the whole point is cheap as chips, right? Yeah. That's two things I love about the bag. The interior organization of the two main compartments, and really love the approachable price point. It doesn't pretend to be more than it is. Now, two things that I think could be better. The first one is the strap. So, two things about the strap specifically. Number one, it sucks. So I'm just gonna be real. Like, it feels like the strap of a $9 bag. It's nothing wonderful. I wasn't expecting something wonderful. But here's the problem. It's also sewn onto the bag. So if it had been a cheap little pop-off strap here, then I could have replaced the strap with a strap that I have and I really enjoy if I wanted a more premium strap, just for comfort's sake. But also, I could very easily take the strap off and use this as a bag within a bag inside a backpack. Then I'd be able to use this where I think it would really shine, which is a bag within a bag that you pop the strap back into here and then can take it and use it as a sling when you don't want to carry your full bag. So that would have been just total fire. That would have been great. Like a little clippy here. You know what I'm talking about. Just a removable strap. And then store the strap, use it as organization in your bag, and then use it as a sling when you wanted to. It's so close. Like, couldn't you see this sold inside a CT15? Like, this would come inside the CT15 and clip to the top or hook and loop onto that back panel, and then you'd pull it off and use it as a sling. I don't know. I think it'd be pretty dope. So that's the first thing. The second thing, it really is that nitpicking little bit of, I think they could have added a little bit more cushioning on the bottom of the bag. Listen to this. So there's tons of cushioning on the back. If they had just wrapped that around the bottom, they wouldn't have had to do a full laptop sleeve, but I would have been a lot more comfortable with my tech in this bag if this quilted portion that is all the way through the back of the bag had been extended underneath. Just a little loop there, and it would have made all the difference in the world for actually using this for a tablet or a Kindle. Okay, that's it. This is a $9. Come on now, $9. It's a good bag for $9. Who might it be the perfect bag for? Well, I think your ideal use case for this bag is still, even though, despite what I said about not being able to take the strap off, I still think there is a case for taking the strap, shoving it into the back compartment, closing it. It's not a clean look, but it still functions. And then tossing this as a bag within a bag into a cheap backpack. And then when you don't want to carry that backpack away from your desk, just grab this. Does it shine as an iPad carrier? No, not really. But as an EDC carrier, toss your phone in there, toss your keys in there, toss your sunglasses, your wallet, and just get about the city, go to lunch. Yeah, it does what it's supposed to do, and it does it for less than most. So I would consider it as soon as it comes back into stock. And I'll try and get some info from CTactical about stock levels on this product. But if you get a chance to get your hands on one for that $9 or less, just do it. It's a good little pouch. And if you view it as a pouch that converts into a sling rather than a sling in and of itself, you'll be, I think, just pretty dang delighted with this thing over time. All right, everybody, that's it. I hope you really enjoyed getting a chance to see what you can get for $9 from CTactical. All right, we will, of course, see you next time. And everybody, really, really appreciate your love and support. And thanks for watching.